You may be planning a beach trip and want to enjoy sandwiches that aren't soggy and drinks that are actually cold without lugging a 25-pound cooler across hot sand. Or you're packing for a 5-day hunting trip in the backcountry and you don't want to be staring at meat that's gray, slimy, and sweating in its own juice by day 3. Perhaps you're kayaking solo and your hatch barely fits a dry bag, but you still want a cold drink waiting when you finally pull ashore. The point is, you need a cooler that's suited for your specific situation. A quality hard cooler will keep your meat fresh for days, but don't buy the marketing hype of a 7-day ice retention. In the real world, where you're opening the cooler for a drink every hour, ice retention is usually 30 to 50% shorter than the sticker says. If you want your meat to stay firm with that fresh cut color through day 3, you need a cooler that's officially rated for 5 days or more. That's the safety buffer that will save you from throwing away expensive steaks. Also, go for a white cooler. It can hold ice up to half a day longer than a gray or darker version of the same model. A soft cooler will only give you 1 to 3 days at best, which is plenty for a beach day or a day on the kayak, but won't cut it for multi-day backcountry trips. But the trade-off pays in weight. When empty, a soft cooler is about 5 to 7 pounds, roughly the weight of a bag of flour. Compare that to a hard cooler, which starts at almost 21 pounds before you've even put a single beer inside. If you're dealing with a tight kayak hatch, a soft cooler is still a lifesaver. Some brands even have air valves, so you can deflate and roll them down to an even smaller size to fit in tight spaces. And when you're done, most compress or tuck away easily. A hard cooler just sits there, taking up the same space whether it's full or empty. Now, for that 5-day trip, or when it's your whole crew coming to the beach, you need a larger capacity to store all the supplies. And here's where soft coolers can't keep up. Most max out around 20 to 30 quarts, while hard coolers can go up to 150 quarts. So, if you need serious storage, a hard cooler is your only option. So for that beach haul, bring friends who don't skip arm day.